Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and security requirements. That avoids mid-install failures. Once done, back up your data, cloud plus an external image, so you can roll back if needed. Next, enroll in the correct channel, the release preview or the official rollout path. This ensures you receive the Windows 12 upgrade package. Make sure TPM and Secure Boot are enabled in firmware, and free at least 20% storage to let the installer expand temporary files. This speeds the download and reduces errors. Now you initiate the actual upgrade sequence. Choose Windows Update first, because it handles drivers and compatibility checks automatically. If that's unavailable, run the official Update Assistant or create a USB installer with the Media Creation tool and boot to upgrade in place. During download and install, keep power attached and close heavy apps. This reduces interference. If prompts appear about drivers or apps, accept recommended updates. Pause third-party antivirus temporarily, because some security suites block installer actions. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Finish by completing the out-of-box prompts, signing in with your account, and letting Windows Run post-install updates for drivers and firmware. Once done, restore any files you backed up and confirm activation and privacy settings. Reinstall apps that were incompatible. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Note the error code and use settings recovery to roll back to your prior version or run the recovery image you created. One key tip: most failures trace to storage or driver conflicts, so check those first while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.